Did you know that over 60% of people go into the new year wishing they had saved more money? Here's the crazy part. Most don't realize how many quick and easy ways there are to make extra cash in just a few weeks. But here's the catch. If you don't start now, you could miss out on hundreds, maybe even thousands before the year is over. Don't let that be you. If you're ready to learn how to make quick money in the next 3 weeks, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 7 fast and easy ways to fill your wallet before the year is over. Stick around until the end because the last tip is a game changer. It might even set you up for long-term success. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we'll dive into even more ways to boost your income and start the new year on the right financial foot. Don't miss it. Alright, let's get into it. Pay attention because these ideas are not only quick, but could also spark bigger opportunities. First, flipping holiday items. With the holidays just around the corner, there's high demand for decorations, gifts, and even last-minute party supplies. You can buy discounted items in bulk from local stores or online marketplaces and resell them at a profit. For example, snag some popular holiday lights or trendy gift items and sell them on platforms like Facebook, Marketplace, eBay, or even locally. Pro tip. Keep an eye out for items that sell out quickly, like holiday-themed mugs or festive decor. People will pay a premium when they're desperate for last-minute shopping. Next, offering gift wrapping services. It might sound simple, but during the holiday rush, people are willing to pay for someone else to handle their gift wrapping headaches. You can advertise your services on local community boards or apps like Nextdoor. Set up a little wrapping station at home and charge per gift. Bonus tip. Add extra value by offering delivery or pickup services. The convenience factor can make all the difference. Keep watching because hustle number 4 is perfect for those who love spending time on their phones. Third, selling baked goods. Are you good at baking? The holidays are the perfect time to sell seasonal treats like cookies, cakes, or pies. You can take custom orders or create holiday bundles to sell at local markets or through social media. Even if you're not a pro, simple festive recipes can still sell well. Pro tip: presentation matters. Package your treats in cute holiday-themed boxes or bags to attract more buyers. People eat with their eyes first, after all. Moving on. Offering freelance holiday services. Many people are overwhelmed during the holidays and need extra help. You can earn quick cash by offering services like setting up Christmas lights, decorating homes, or even helping with holiday errands. Apps like TaskRabbit make it super easy to connect with people who need these tasks done fast. Pro tip: promote yourself as a holiday helper and bundle your services. For example, offer both decoration setup and gift wrapping as a package deal. It's a win-win for you and your clients. Still with me? Great, because hustle number 6 could earn you money even while you sleep. Next, renting out your stuff. Got equipment, tools, or even spare space sitting unused? Rent it out. Platforms like Fat Llama let you list items like cameras, party supplies, or even lawn equipment for short-term rentals. And if you have an extra room or parking space, apps like Airbnb or Spacer can help you monetize it quickly. Pro tip: highlight any unique features or benefits of your items. For example, high-quality camera perfect for holiday family portraits can attract more renters. Another quick way to earn: teaching holiday workshops. If you're skilled in crafting, cooking, or anything creative, consider hosting short workshops either in person or online. For example, you could teach people how to make their own holiday wreaths, bake festive cookies, or create handmade gifts. Platforms like Zoom make online workshops easy to manage. Pro tip: record your sessions and offer them as downloadable tutorials for extra income. This way you can keep earning even after the workshop is over. Finally, selling digital products. Don't underestimate the power of digital goods. Create holiday-themed printables like gift tags, party invitations, or budgeting templates, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. These products are easy to make and can sell over and over again without extra effort. Pro tip: use Canva to design your printables. It's user-friendly and has tons of templates to get you started quickly. Bonus strategy: combine multiple hustles. Here's where the magic happens. Combine multiple ideas. For example, sell your baked goods while offering gift wrapping services, or create holiday printables and host a workshop teaching people how to use them creatively. The key is to maximize your efforts in these next 3 weeks. Now that you know how to make quick money before the year ends, check out our suggested video for more ways to increase your wealth. The clock is ticking. Start now and watch your wallet grow. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly tips to boost your income and achieve your goals.